Digital marketing for conversions. What is my conversion? This is the first question you ask when undertaking any form of digital marketing. A conversion is when a reader, customer, member of your audience, whatever you want to call them, performs an action you deem beneficial for your business or enterprise as a whole. When asked this question, most people will respond, well, that's easy, I want to make sales. That is not a bad answer. The whole point of a profit-generating entity is, after all, to generate profit. But social media marketing is not about shoving your products down your audience's collective throats. If you treat Twitter as a billboard, people will tune out, unfollow, and you'll find yourself in a spam box. Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Google+, these are all social platforms. On them, you have to be sociable, and you need a sociable conversion. Common conversions: retweet, leave a like, directed a lead to your website, and comment. You might think this is really obvious. If you do, fantastic. It shows a natural aptitude for this kind of marketing. The call to action. Now that you understand a bit about how you can use Facebook to market your brand or really anything, it's time to look at some of the most common Facebook posting mistakes that marketers make. So now you know what you want your audience to do. The next question is how to get them to do it. With that in mind, go to this website, www.clickonthings.com. The pictures are pretty enough, and some would even say it is well designed, but this site is a digital marketing failure. You can spend days clicking on the pictures, but what is this site's purpose? What does the site want the audience to do? There is no way of knowing. Click on Things is a great resource for what not to do. Imagine these pictures are tweets, one after another, page after page. This is what you are trying to avoid. Have a look at this graph from copyblogger.com. Quick definition by Daniel Nations. A retweet is simply a repost of another Twitter user's tweet on your own profile to show to your own followers. Like hashtags, retweets are a community-driven phenomenon on Twitter with the aim of making the service better and allowing people to spread discussion easier. Now the graph is simple to understand. It shows us the prevalence of the word please in retweets. Why are so many people saying please? Well, we say please when we ask for something, don't we? And that is exactly what is happening here. Whether they know it or not, these Twitter users are marketing for conversions. They are asking people to please retweet. Most retweetable words and phrases, from 1 through to 20. You, Twitter, please, retweet, post, blog, social, free, media, help, please retweet, great, social media, 10, follow, how to, top, blog post, check out, and new blog post. It is called a call to action, and you need to consider your call to action every tweet, upload, picture, or piece of content you intend for people to see. Your audience needs to be told what to do, unlike click on things. The good news is that Twitter has done most of the work for you. Your audience is within easy reach of buttons to comment, follow, and retweet your posts. You just have to ask. Your call to action can be anything as long as it aligns with a conversion. Questions, example, what do you think of our new winter line? Follow this person. Like this if you. Comment if you. Download my ebook. Check out my site. Follow me on Facebook. Order your free product or trial. Twitter's data shows that tweets that ask for a follow increase responses by 258%. People love to participate. If you show them something they like and ask them to retweet it, chances are they will. Caitlin's battle against cancer is likely to get thousands of retweets. This is a relatable post and, more importantly, there is a clear call to action. Bordering on clicktivism, the use of social media and other online methods to promote a cause, Oxford Dictionary, how could you not retweet this? By doing so, you are supporting a battle against cancer.